Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon seller account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Amazon seller account, start by visiting the Amazon Services website. Click on the Selling on Amazon link found on the home page. Select the Start Selling button to begin the registration process. If you already have an Amazon account, log in using your existing credentials. If not, choose the option to create a new account. Fill in your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your information, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button. You will receive a verification email from Amazon. Check your inbox and follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Amazon Seller Central page. Log in with your newly created or existing Amazon account. Now, select your business type, either individual or professional. Continue filling out the required seller information form. Provide details such as your business name and address. Next, enter your credit card information for billing purposes. You will also need to supply your bank account information for deposit of your sales revenue. Once all the information is entered, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to Amazon's terms. Then, click on the Finish button to complete the registration. You should receive a confirmation that your seller account is now active. Now, you can start listing your products and manage your inventory. Familiarize yourself with the Seller Central dashboard to navigate your new account. Congratulations, your Amazon seller account is ready for business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.